Most people don't fail with money because they're lazy. They fail because they learn the truth after it's already expensive. If you're working hard, earning regularly, and still feel stuck financially, this is for you. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because no one clearly explained how money really works. School doesn't teach it. Jobs don't teach it. And most advice people hear is either confusing or unrealistic. So people spend years doing what seems responsible, only to realize later it didn't move them forward. This is the financial truth many people only understand in their 40s or 50s. And when they finally see it, they often say the same thing. I wish I knew this earlier. Understanding this sooner doesn't make life perfect, but it makes money simpler, calmer, and easier to control. Most people believe one simple idea. If I earn more, everything will be fine. So they focus on income, overtime, side work, promotions. Income matters. But income alone does not change your financial direction. Money doesn't stay where effort happens. Money stays where structure exists. If every extra dollar you earn is already planned to be spent, earning more just increases pressure. Higher income with weak structure doesn't create freedom. It creates bigger problems. Wealth grows when money is given a job before it arrives. Another truth people learn too late is this. Comfort is more dangerous than struggle. Struggle feels risky, so people try to escape it quickly. But comfort keeps people stuck quietly. When bills are paid and life feels okay, there's no urgency to improve decisions. So people delay learning. They delay planning. They delay fixing habits. They say they'll think about investing later. They'll save when they earn more. They'll start next year. Comfort creates delay. Delay wastes time. And time is the most valuable part of money. Many people only take money seriously after a crisis. By then, fixing things costs more effort and more stress. Another hard truth is this. Money problems are rarely about numbers. They are about behavior. People blame income, prices, the economy, but look closely. Two people earning the same amount can live completely different financial lives. One feels calm. One feels trapped. The difference is not intelligence. It's daily behavior. Small actions repeated over years create big results. Spending without tracking. Saving without a reason. Using debt to look successful instead of becoming stable. Money does not respond to motivation. It responds to habits. There is also one truth people underestimate. Time matters more than intensity. Most people wait for the perfect moment. When they earn more. When life slows down. When they feel confident. But money rewards consistency, not dramatic moves. Saving a small amount every month for years beats saving a lot once. Learning a little regularly beats panic learning later. People who do well financially didn't make one big decision. They made many boring ones early. Imagine two friends. Same age, same job, same income. One spends freely. No tracking. No plan. Saves whatever is left. The other decides where their money goes before the month begins. Nothing extreme. Nothing complicated. After 5 years, the difference is clear. The first feels tired. They worked hard, but progress feels invisible. The second isn't rich, but they're calm. They have options. They sleep better. The difference wasn't luck. It wasn't talent. It was understanding the truth earlier. The biggest mistake most people make is believing money problems fix themselves with time. They don't. Without structure, time makes problems bigger. Habits become harder to change. Lifestyle costs rise. Responsibilities grow. People think they'll fix it later. Later arrives with more pressure and fewer choices. Money rewards early clarity, and it punishes long-term avoidance. Smart money thinkers understand something very simple. Money is not emotional. It is mechanical. You don't need motivation. You need systems. You don't need perfection. You need direction. When your money has a plan, progress becomes predictable. Not fast, but steady. And steady always beats lucky. Here is one simple thing you can do today. Before your next paycheck arrives, decide 3 things. How much is for living? How much is for saving? How much is for growth? Write it down, even if the numbers are small. This single habit shifts you from reacting to money to controlling money. If this way of thinking makes sense to you, you'll like this channel. Cash Logic is about clarity, not hype, not shortcuts, just simple thinking that works in real life. Subscribe for daily videos that help you understand money logically. Money doesn't reward urgency. It rewards understanding.